bulb looks like, because I discovered this tonight. Yay. Again, battling fungus gnats. So I wonder why. This is a bulb, and I just kind of like moved it a little bit earlier, only to find out there's nothing. And I say nothing, I mean I am basically starting over on this thing. So I'm just going to hope for the best. And it will go right there, and I will name him Squishy, and he will be my Squishy. Basically, it doesn't look good so far, but you know, it'll grow back. There was a my Mickey Mouse alocasia. Let me show you guys that one, because that one's growing well, and it basically got completely separated from the bulb in a car accident that I was in, and it has taken me a very long freaking time to get this. Look at those leaves, they're little tiny baby leaves. This one can't even open because it's so teeny. It's just a teeny little baby. So hopefully the variegated elephant ear goes a little faster than that one did, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Check out this variegated Burley Marks, however you say it. Everybody says plant names weird. Look at this. Beauty. Beauty, 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 beauty.